Hey guys, today we will be doing an installation guide on how to install a spiral cutter head into your Triton 7-inch planer. The Sheartak spiral cutter head comes with a full set of 24 carbide inserts, as well as 2 bearings pre-installed. The spiral cutter head is engineered for smoother cuts, quieter operation, and a significantly longer tool life. Alright guys, before we go over to the video, I'm just going to go over some tools that you'll need for the installation. So you'll need a rubber mallet, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of gloves as you will be handling the spiral cutter head, and a socket wrench. Alright, step 1, take off the nameplate using a Phillips screwdriver. Step 2, now we can go ahead and remove the belt. Step 3, remove both big and small pulleys by removing the nut using a socket wrench. Step 4, remove screws and disconnect the fan cover. Step 5. Remove screws to disconnect the bearing support. Step 6. You may now remove the straight knife cutter head. Step 7. Using some sort of socket tool, punch out the bearing. Step 8. Unscrew the spiral cutter head cover and remove the bearing. Step 9. Install the bearings onto the spiral cutter head. Seat them properly by gently tapping with a rubber mallet. Step 10. Install the spiral cutter head back into the planer. Step 12. Reinstall bearing support. Step 13. Reinstall a fan cover by gently tapping it with a rubber mallet, and then reinstall the screws. Step 14. Reinstall both pulleys, ensuring to screw back in the nut on the bigger pulley with a socket wrench. Step 15. Reinstall belt. Step 16. Reinstall the nameplate. Alright guys, that concludes the installation video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Also, if you would like to purchase a spiral cutter head for your machine, visit www.sheartak.com or email sales@sheartak.com.